Hey, how's it going? As you can see, it's time to do a little bit of maintenance. It doesn't turn up, raise up and down as smooth as it should. And with everything being open down here, you can see how it, needs some maintenance once in a while. So, take some time to do this. The trunnion and everything that rotates in here, like the worm screws and everything, white lithium grease, that is the suggested best thing to use. And I agree. So I blew everything out. And now I'm gonna, you can take the blade out, I guess. There's really nothing that I really need to get at. There's a couple of worm screws. This one, not entirely necessary. Of course, get that white lithium grease on your saw blade. This will help things considerably. So, this one's always tricky to get at. I got it from the front pretty good, but I'd like to do a little better. Okay. And then, that's right, buddy. The other side of the trunnion. If I aim her just right down in here, and we can get to the other side beautifully. But it's going to take two hands to hold and point. That's what we're talking about. Alright, well, let's see if we done did any good. Boy, when you do get it lubed up nice, more than clean, and you lube it up, it sure does do a good job. But like with anything else, there is maintenance. Alright, let's see. It was fighting me for a little bit there. Let's see, first, did get a little bit of that on there. No. Let's see. Get it lubed up nicely. You can turn this thing pretty much one-handed, assuming everything is out of your way that could possibly be in your way. Let's see. It's better, but I think I need to bring that all the way up to get out the other side of that worm screw, because it's got to work that in. But let's check our ability to angle. That's what the trunnion does. We need to work that in there, please, with the mess underneath here. Yeah, that works beautifully. This will allow us to get to the other side if we need to. Wow, well, I do need to do a 45 anyway, but that is nice. Nice, real nice. Now, you want to get at the other side of it? We can. Okay, at any rate, yeah. This one's going to be kind of hard to get at entirely, but I think if we blow a little bit of that sawdust that we missed before, so we can see from the back side. She's up. Oh, wide open view. Yeah. Another one we need to get is the up and down. And it is moving its way there. But my opinion, it's not smooth enough, but that should take care of it. Alright. So, white lithium in the can, it does go on kind of thin, but it does thicken up. Not heavily thicken up, just it thickens up. That's the whole point of it. Oh, that's nice, real nice. Ah, you can almost just spin it. Oh, it goes like a turn and a half just doing that. Wow. Well, the weight obviously helping, but yeah. Oh, 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 oh yeah. Oh. Man. Now this. So we need to bring this up all the way to expose the worm screw, and then we can finish the lube job. Looby dooby. Looby lift. Yeah. Yeah, it could turn a little bit easier. We'll see if we can't remedy that. Alright, buddy. Let's see what we can do with you. Hiding on me. Okay. Alright, so from the backside, backdoor man. I know. Oh boy, you know, I probably should just take the belt off. It'd be a lot easier to get in there. Let's see. Ouch. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. So nice. That works.